Feeling down about your investments today? Hold tight because the tide is turning. I'm about to walk you through the precise strategy that'll push a coin's price sky high and help you lock in massive profits. Let's analyze this carefully, but facts are facts. Pump fun won't make your meme coin pop off. You need to adapt and hunt for bigger opportunities. Take a look through Pump Fun with Photon and you'll see a cemetery of failed coins. Recent additions like Zubo and Meme are barely clinging to life. The whole setup is nuts. They've basically created an assembly line for pumping out worthless tokens. Not exactly the solid ground you need for a real project. Check out Raydium's exchange and brace yourself. It's a total frenzy. Just 4 new tokens dropped in 8 minutes and traders are eating them up. The liquidity? Straight fire. Here's the deal. Launching on Raydium takes the next level game. Only top-tier projects thrive here, pulling in whales and serious investors. That's the Raydium edge. Ready to learn how to compete at this level? Launch Tool just changed the game for Raydium forever. Forget coding struggles. Your custom memecoin is now just 5 minutes from existence. This same strategy has put money in my pocket every single day for the past 30 days running. Logo creation first. Launch Canva and set up a square 128 by 128 pixels workspace. Lately, I have been following the soccer player Rafinha a lot, so I will dedicate this token to him. Few quick edits later, and presto, you've got yourself a slick market-ready emblem in record time. Logo complete. Time to create the meme coin, boot up Launch Tool, and sync your wallet. Here's where it gets good, naming your masterpiece. I will use Rafinha for the name, and also for the symbol for this time. I will leave the description blank as it is not mandatory, but you can write something if you like. Slot in your dope logo and continue. Don't mess with the supply settings. Defaults are dialed in perfectly. Just keep going. Pro tip, ignore creator details. Switch off the toggle and lock 0.1 Solana. Social media fields are worthless for Raydium pumps, so hard pass. Deal breaker. Removing the 0.3 Solana protection will destroy trust. Leave all protections untouched. Launch now. This is where magic happens. Confirm that wallet notification. Boom, your token just went live on Solana. Pro move, run to SolScan right now and verify your token to make sure everything's perfect. SolScan check done, let's get cooking. This next step separates winners from losers, setting up your liquidity pool. Thinking of skipping? Big mistake. No liquidity equals dead token walking, just a worthless line of code with no buyers in sight. Diamond hands time, hit create liquidity pool. You'll blast straight to Raydium. Select your meme coin as primary, paste your token address from Launch Tool, then put the name and symbol, Rafinha for both in this case. Now crush that Add User Token button to seal the deal. Nuke 900 million of your 1 billion supply straight into liquidity, no half measures. Match it with Solana as your trading pair, but keep 0.2 Solana aside for gas. Getting wrecked mid-process would suck. You're the market maker now. Set a 2% fee to start stacking passive income. Audit every detail, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the wallet prompt, and kaboom! Your token's live and kicking. Big news, your token just landed front and center on Photon's top list. As the trading volume skyrockets and excitement spreads, this is where most projects hit critical moments. I'm about to hand you the sharpest chart strategies to make sure you stay miles ahead of the competition. Step 1, head over to dexscreener.com and pull up any token chart to get a feel for the action. Next, jump to Launch Tool, copy your contract address, and swap it in for DexScreener's default token. Just like that, you've got live price movement at your fingertips. Now, keep an eye on liquidity, pool health while waiting for updates. Key tip, refresh your Raydium portfolio in standard view. Your balance might take a moment to load, so hang tight. We have a good buy for almost $45. We started with a liquidity of $853 and a market cap of $590 in just 3 minutes. This is going to be good. We have been made a large buy for over $100, which increases our liquidity to $1,100 and our market cap to $1,000. And it's only been 7 minutes. Our best buy has arrived for almost $200. Our liquidity is at $1,300 and our market cap is at $1,400. Now we must withdraw our liquidity and take our profits. Start by opening your Raydium portfolio and switching to standard view. This is where your actual balance is shown. Click the minus icon, drag the slider to 100% and double check your liquidity pool allocation. Keep a sharp eye on your Solana value. That's your way out. Confirm the removal, approve the wallet prompt, and let your funds land securely. This market is moving fast. Check your balance and let reality set in. My position has doubled in less than 1 hour. The best part, anyone can run this play. Stay focused, push forward, and keep locking in gains until you've secured financial freedom for decades to come. We've struck gold, but time is running out. This is your chance to take advantage. This video is purely educational, no ties to any platforms. Chasing massive returns, this arbitrage move is the ultimate game changer. Act fast before the market shifts. Support the content by subscribing, liking, and sharing.